Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my vlogan Choris. So yes, it's been long time na hindi na ako nakapag-upload. O diba? Kasi wala naman nagtatanong. So yes, and today's vlog is mag-unboxing from Shein. Oh yes. And this is what I got. O diba? So yan, try ko yung kanilang glow mode na dry fit bang tawag doon. So yes. So I have dalawa. And the rest is Shein Sports. Charang. So I got freebie. Ay, hindi pala ito freebie. Binili ko na. So yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So ayan. So unahin ko muna itong yellow. I'm so excited for this guys. Kasi nga, sports. O diba? Leggings na black. So para daw siyang Lululemon. Charis. Tama ba? So, ang ganda. Very affordable. So, 1,300 plus. So, yan. So, I got extra small. Ano? It's small pala to. Extra small pala. Extra small. So, yan. Char. Leggings. And then, yung isa is sports bra. Purple. So, ang cute ng packaging nila. Ang cute ng zipper. Yellow. So, meron siyang logo na Z. Kasi nga, glow mode. And may tissue siya. Super nice. Tada! Diba? I love it. It's a sports bra. That is. And now, let's move on to this. Ziplocs. It's a colorful na bikini. Stress mo siya, guys. O, diba? So, ako na yung colorful sa lahat. And then, the other one is one piece na orange. O, diba? Sexy. Tada! So, extra small din siya, guys. Iba yung amoy. Choice. So, now, let's move on to this Ziplocs. Ito na yung suot ko, guys. Char. So, yes. It's a pants na corduroy pink. So cute. Char. Very makamasa talaga ang Shein, guys, no? So, ito naman is, sports, ano rin, dry fit din siya, na tatluhan. Green. O, diba? Yung bra, feeling ko malaki. Tapos, small siya, guys. Tapos, cute. Diba? Neon green. Colorful tayo for today. And also, white na. Cute. O, diba? Tapos, ito naman is tatluhan din siya na sports ako ngayon. Na red. Kasi nga, pang zumba. So, one is bra. Tapos, leggings. Ang cute. Tapos, yung itong isa is jacket na crop top. Ang cute. Super cute. O, diba? So, extra small, guys. Extra small. Okay, small pala to, char. So, extra small and small. Pag walang available. And then, green again. Oh my gosh. Very neon siya, guys. Nakakasilaw. And the last one is small one. Panty na short. O, diba? At the same time, glitter. Cute. Oh, meron pa pang isang last but not the least is lip liner. And cute. O, diba? Super cute. Pag sinuot ko pa, guys, sa haba na ang video, I think separate na lang, no? So, I think this one is matchy for my lips. So, yan. So, waterproof daw. Tingnan natin kung magpa-flump ang aking lips. Tara! So, tatlo siya, guys. I super love it. Shein Glam. Or She Glam. Not Shein Glam. She Glam. Don't mind my coco. Okay. Ta-da! So, this one is the darkest one. I think mas maganda yung dark. Ta-da! So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. At separate ko na lang yung video for my outfit check. Susukatin ko. So, thank you for watching. Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my TikTok. Ano ba yung pinagsasabi ko? So, parang may sariling filter ang Oppo na phone, no? So, Oppo ang gamit ko ngayon kasi nga, sunurin tayo for today. Char! Don't forget to give me a thumbs up! Sumobrang puti. Naunsa man to, oy. Ay, hindi makatarungan ng Oppo. Nasobrahan ng edit, filter. Kahit hindi naman naka-filter. Ang sama noy. So, iPhone na lang gamitin ko for another video. So, yun lang. Bye!